Hey everybody, and welcome to another edition of Where the Heck Are the Albans? And where the heck are the Albans? Well, we are still at home and we are continuing our Advent Calendar Palooza. And you're going to get two for this one day. So, for the 16th and 17th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me all sorts of gourmet cheeses and the wine. Yay! It's time! Okay, so here we have our imported cheese advent calendar. 24 festive mini cheeses inside here. Now we have room in the fridge again because this had to be refrigerated. But look at what it says here in the corner. Pair with your wine advent calendar. And dun, dun, dun. Here is the wine advent calendar. Everybody has been asking about this. This is the festive collection. Everybody's laughing right now because Fiona tried to jump up into Emerson's lap and she kind of missed. Whoops.
Come on then.
Get up there.
Come on. You can do it. I know you can.
She said, no, I fell last time. There she goes. Hi, Fiona. How are you, baby doll? Okay.
Needy.
All right, so on with the show. We are going to open up all the cheeses and all the wines today. So without further ado, because this one's probably going to be a little long, let's get at it. Okay, so we have got sweet and strong cheddar cheese. We got sweet, nutty, and rich red Leicester cheese. We have got nutty and delicious Gouda cheese. That's Gouda.
Smooth and creamy cheddar.
We've got smooth and creamy cheddar here. And savory and mild Edam cheese. Edam cheese. Edam. Let's eat them.
Edam, I believe.
Anyway, there's not a cheese that I haven't met that I don't like. So, but let's go ahead and just start with the cheeses. So,
Well, we'll do one cheese, one wine.
Okay, we'll do one cheese, one wine. Oh, that's right, because they're supposed to pair up with each other.
This is.
And we have got. You can probably just leave it. It says right on there.
Red Leicester cheese.
Red Leicester cheese. Okay. And number one on the wine. That's kind of good. And we have got
a rosé.
A Cava Rose Brut.
Rosé.
Rosé, yes. Cava Rosé Brut. All right. A product of Spain. All right.
Put that with the cheese.
So that goes with that.
Okay.
All right. Number 2. I believe this is number 2? Yeah, 2. That is not a wine. That is a Diet Dr. Pepper.
Yeah. It's a Gouda.
That's Gouda.
Oh, please.
Number 2. Right? Chow. And with the Gouda goes Sauvignon Blanc, a wine of Chile. Yeah, awesome. All right, that goes right there. All right, number 3.
It's an aged cheddar.
Aged cheddar. And what goes good with aged cheddar? Well, I'll tell you what goes good with aged cheddar. That would be a Merlot Rosé, a wine of France. Okay, number 4.
Is also an aged cheddar.
Another aged cheddar. And here is number 4 on the wine calendar. That is going to be a
Tempranillo.
Tempranillo, a wine of Spain.
I like that one.
All right. Number 5.
An herbed Gouda.
Herb Gouda. And what would pair nicely with an herb Gouda? That would be a Chardonnay,
Okay.
a wine of Australia. All right.
Number 6.
Number 6.
Hot and spicy.
Hot and spicy.
Doesn't say what kind of cheese it is. It's just hot and spicy.
Okay.
Like me.
Just like Emerson.
Everything muy caliente.
Number 6 would be a Shiraz, which is a wine of South Africa.
I would have thought a white wine would have paired better with a hot and spicy, but
No,
what do I know?
definitely not.
What do I know?
If you've learned
7.
anything from Papa J, you think that spicy goes with white wine?
Number 7,
Gouda.
more Gouda. All right, number 7,
Can I do
right
it?
up here. You want to open it up? All right, it's kind of rough. All
It's
right.
a rosé.
We have a rosé wine, a wine of Chile. I'll just put these right here together. Okay, number 8. Would it be on the other side?
Yes.
Yes, there it is.
It is a tomato and olive cheese.
Ooh, that sounds like really good. Tomato and
I like
olive
tomatoes and
cheese.
olives.
Okay, go ahead, Em.
Come on, you can do it. Put some muscle into it.
Yeah, my thumb muscle.
And we have, what do we got here? Chenin Blanc?
Chenin Blanc.
Chenin Blanc? I don't know what I'm talking about here. A wine of South Africa. Chenin Blanc. And that goes with tomato and olive.
Number 9.
Tomato and olive cheeses in South Africa.
Red Leicester.
Again.
Red Leicester. And then
Number
Number
9.
9. Right up there on top.
Oops.
And we have a red blend, a
Oh, I like
wine
red
of
blend.
Australia. Okay. Number 10.
An herbed Gouda.
Herb Gouda. Number 10 over here is
A Pinot
Pinot
Grigio.
Grigio, a blush, which is a, what does that say there? I don't have my readers on.
It doesn't say. Oh, wine of Italy.
A wine of Italy.
A Pinot Grigio.
There we go. All right.
11.
11.
Hot and spicy.
Hot and spicy.
That's 17.
Number 11.
I'm reading them upside down. Look at all marked.
And we have
A Malbec.
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 A wine of Argentina.
Beck.
Yeah, is that how it's pronounced?
Yeah. Malbec.
All right. 12. Right up there in the corner.
Edam.
Edam. And what goes with Edam is Colombard,
Okay.
a wine of France. Okay.
Number 13. Herb Gouda.
Herb Gouda. I love herb Gouda. I really do. And our wine is
That's like two little bottle.
Pinot Grigio.
Again.
Product of Italy.
Number 14. Aged cheddar.
Aged cheddar. And our matching wine for aged cheddar is
Red blend.
a red blend from Italy. All right. Can we move this over just a tad? We're kind of running out of room on the table here.
Number 15.
Number 15.
White cheddar.
White cheddar.
Have we gotten a white cheddar yet?
We have not gotten a white cheddar, I do not believe.
Sauvignon Blanc.
Sauvignon Blanc from New Zealand. All right.
What is this, 16?
Edam.
Adam. And we've got a
That one.
Chardonnay? Is it?
Chagrin?
Is it a
It's that one.
It's that one. It's like the Lego ones. It's that one. No.
Okay, 17.
Carignan, maybe? Or I don't know. I don't know how to pronounce
Another tomato and olive.
it. It's from France. Another tomato and olive. And what goes with the tomato and olive really good?
That one.
A Wagner. Wine of France.
Okay, number 18.
Number 18. On the inside,
A Gouda.
a Gouda. And what goes good with Gouda?
Red blend.
Red blend from Italy.
Number 19.
19. Oh,
White cheddar.
white cheddar. And
White Zinfandel.
white Zinfandel
Black.
from the USA.
Is it not good?
It's a California wine. We're not big fans.
Where we
Papa's spoiled.
Yeah, Papa spoiled us.
19.
20.
20.
No, because the hot and spicy.
Hot and spicy.
Merlot.
Amarillo.
Hello from Chile.
That reminds me of that movie. 21.
Which one? Which movie? Can you remember?
The wine one.
The wine one. Oh,
Sideways.
Sideways.
Yeah, I'm not drinking Merlot. White Leicester.
Okay.
Or red Leicester.
Red. Leicester.
A
And
Chardonnay.
another Chardonnay. From Argentina. I can't talk today.
Argentina.
Buenos Aires.
Where was that one? Did you put it up
Yeah.
here? Okay. And what do we got next?
22.
22. That's
Toot
on the
toot.
front. Toot toot. 22.
Tomato and olive.
Tomato and olive.
And a Shiraz.
And a Shiraz.
I like Shiraz.
Shiraz from
South Africa.
Australia.
Oh, that one's from.
Oh.
All right, 23.
Number 23. We got
An Edam.
Adam.
Cabernet Sauvignon.
Cabernet Sauvignon from Chile.
We should have done this one live and
I know, we should have did
Drank
this
it all.
one live.
eaten all the.
Okay, and the last one, number
24.
24.
Oh, white cheddar.
White cheddar
Oh, and a bottle of champagne.
and a Prosecco. Look at that from
That
Italy.
one's my favorite.
Look at that. That is Becky's favorite.
I like the bubbles.
All right. So there it is, guys. This is all the pairings with the wine and the cheeses. Hope you guys like this. This entire collection came from Aldi. And we really had to get, you had to be first in line because these things sell out immediately. So, hope you enjoyed it. As always, if you like what you see, give us a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and we'll see you guys next time on Where the Heck Are the Albans? Bye, everyone!
We're drunk.
No, we're not.
Bye.